Introductions of Singapore taxation system. There are several reasons for investors turn to Singapore to establishing their operations, and one of the determinants is Singapore's tax regime, well known for its attractive corporate and personal tax rates, tax relief measures, non-taxable capital gain, one-tier tax system, and extensive double tax treaties. Persons, including corporations, partnerships, trustees, and bodies of persons carrying on any trade, profession, or business in Singapore are chargeable to tax on all profits that accrue in or derive from Singapore, as well as income received from outside Singapore. There are different types of taxes in Singapore, as you can refer to our slide here. Let's move on to the definitions for each type of taxes. Income tax is chargeable on income of individual at progressive tax rate, with current higher personal income tax rate at 22%. And companies are taxed at a flat rate of 17% on its chargeable income, regardless of whether it is a local or foreign company. Property tax is imposed on owners of the properties, based on the expected rental values of the property. Motor vehicles taxes are taxes other than import duties that are imposed on motor vehicle. These taxes are imposed to curb car ownership and road concession. For customs or access duties, Singapore is a free port and have relatively few accesses and import duties. Access duties are imposed principally on tobacco, petroleum products, and liquors. Also, very few products are subject to import duties. These duties are mainly on motor vehicle, tobacco, liquors, and petroleum products. Goods and Services Tax (GST) is a tax on consumption. The tax is paid when money is spent on goods or services, including imports. This kind of indirect tax is also known as value-added tax (VAT) in many other countries. Currently, the tax rate is at 7%. For payments of a specified nature, example, royalty, interest, technical service fee, etc., to a non-resident company or individual, it is required to withhold a percentage of that payment and pay the amount withheld to IRAS. This is called withholding tax. Betting tax are duties on private lottery, betting, and sweepstakes. Stamp duty is imposed on commercials and legal documents relating to stocks and shares and immovable properties. Other taxes are comprised of two main taxes. They are the Foreign Worker Levy and the Airport Passenger Service Charge. The Foreign Worker Levy is imposed to regulate the employment of foreign workers in Singapore. Please stay tuned with us for incoming webinar, and we will cover more detailed topics such as Singapore corporate tax, personal income tax, withholding tax, and so on.